Hello everyone and welcome on this new weekly market analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm very proud to share with you that we have the Black Friday on, and it's gonna be valid from today until 4th of December, and it's gonna be covering only the monthly subscription, which means it's not valid on 2 month or 3 month or 6 month or 1 year subscription, only the monthly one, and it's gonna be covering Forex and gold signals. So you can grab this opportunity and contact our support right now to join through this offer. And speaking of that, I would like to share with you also our results on the Forex VIP signals. As you can see, here are the results actually to make it quicker for you. Notice here something. The entire week, we only had those 3 losses. And after these losses happened, we decided to change the take profit number 1 from 45 pips, or actually any random number, to make it a fixed 25 pips. And as you can see the results, it indeed paid off, and the signals now hit the take profit level. Why? What did happen? Let me just show you what happened. So before, when we are sending a signal with 45 pips take profit number 1, usually the market going in our favor, running in like 39 or 41 pips of profit, then reverses back before reach our take profit number 1. That was so unfair. So we decided to get rid of 45 pips and make it right now fixed 25 pips. That will be actually better to our results, and that will actually increase your chances in hit the take profit level using our signals, and we can actually guarantee more profits to you. So we hope, guys, you will get this offer and you will experience the power of Xtreme Trader signals by yourself and test it by yourself as well. Let's now get to the weekly analysis, and as usual we will start with the EURUSD. So right now I'm here on the weekly chart on the EURUSD. Now what we can see right now is an actual bearish breakout from the level of a support at the bracket of 1.061, and right now we can see that the EURUSD is rising again to reach that level. Now let me just tell you something. In general, the EURUSD seems like it actually has reversed right on this level of a key support right here at the bracket of 1.045. But in my opinion, remember, this is a weekly chart. So now we are talking about weekly candles, so we just have to figure what is going to be the next one candle only, because weekly chart, right? So I'm expecting actually from the next candle to make a pullback upon the pressure of the broken level of a support, and then falls back right now. Then the week after, we are looking to buy the EURUSD, because this week I'm expecting actually to sell the EURUSD, and please allow me to share you why. Let's now move to the daily chart. Now here, daily chart, we have something interesting. We have here almost head and shoulders pattern is being created. Check this out. So right here we have, of course, a real level of the support, and then we have here a major fake breakout, which actually took the entire week to make. But later on, actually more than that, but later on, last 2 days, as you can see right now, the market right now is actually reversing at this level of a resistance. So that means that most likely the EURUSD right now is going to continue the fall upon the pressure of the current resistance, and completes the harmony, or actually the pattern of inverted head and shoulders, which means we are looking to sell the EURUSD till it reaches this level. Then maybe anytime soon this week or even the week after, we are looking to buy the EURUSD right on the same level. It's one of the risky signals, but in my opinion, it actually makes a lot of sense. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Check this out. Even 4-hour time frame indeed confirms this entry, and for that reason I would actually going to sell the EURUSD at a certain point. But however, take profit level is gonna be good. It's gonna be at least by 75 pips from the current price. So by saying that, where exactly can we actually sell the EURUSD? Let me just now do something here, squeezing the chart like that, so we can actually have a clear perspective on the market. Right now we can see here clearly that we had, of course, also a real level of a resistance trend line. Check this out. So right now the market is actually respecting this level of a real resistance trend line, and in the middle here we have one fake breakout. And right now it seems to me like the EURUSD is indeed reversing right on the same level of a resistance trend line, and will continue the fall till it reaches this level of a support. Now remember, the candle actually has a chance to continue the rise more than that. So we cannot really sell exactly right now at this level of a resistance. We actually have to wait for the market to rise even higher to actually reach the highest level of a real resistance, which lies exactly right here at 1.058. Why? Because this current price action right here indicates that the market is still reversing and might actually continue the rise till it reach the highest level of a key resistance at 1.059. Now, that's going to be actually around like 23 pips. So in total, we're looking to make around exactly 100 pips of profit, and in this case a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous resistance right here at 1.064, which will be ranging for around 42 pips only against 100 pips of profit. And there goes our signal, my friends, on the EURUSD. Let's now move to the pound USD. Alright, so now here is the weekly chart on the pound USD, and again, my friends, we are actually looking at the similar thing here. Remember, this is weekly chart. So of course the weekly chart here shows of course a strong bullish movement, and we are looking for a buy, but still we are looking to sell. Why is Salah being so confusing for us? I will tell you. Because remember, this is weekly chart. So you are just now trying to figure the next weekly chart, so meaning the next one candle only. We are not looking for the whole direction yet. We are looking for the next candle alone. Now, by looking at the current candle is actually facing right here a strong key level of resistance, as we can see. Let me just be clear. Exactly right here. Exactly. So I just made sure that my line here touching every single wick in this pattern, even right here as well, to complete the harmony of the resistance. And now we can see that the same level here became a broken level of a support, which indeed has been broken out from instantly with the first attempt. With the second attempt of the support, because we only have here a support number 1. We did not have a second attempt. However, now the pound USD is actually approaching the same level of a resistance. So the weekly candle most likely is going to reverse at this level. But how far to? Or actually how long? Look at that. Let me just show you here that we have also a real level of a support as well. Now, there is a good chance that the pound USD, after reversing from this level of a resistance, is gonna make a pullback right now and falls back to reach the same level of a real support right here at 1.265. Then after that, maybe the week after, we can look to buy this pair. Let me just now go to the daily chart to show it to you, because I'm sure some of you might not be convinced. Look at that. Here we have very similar thing to the EURUSD. As you can see here, we have the nearest level of a resistance, which seems like the candle is going to reverse at, and then it's going to continue the fall till it reached the real level of a support right here, because here we had one fake breakout. So most likely the pound USD will continue the fall to reach the same level of a support, and also by that it's going to complete the pattern of inverted head and shoulders. So that means that the pound USD still has around 100 pips more to go. And actually I'm suggesting to sell this pair exactly right here. Let me just now move to the 4-hour time frame. Let's sell the pound USD exactly at the highest level of a resistance right here at 1.276, then targeting the previous level of a real support for around 135 pips till the market completes the inverted head and shoulders. And also the safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance, which lies exactly like this right here. So therefore our safe zone will be ranging just for around 46 pips against 133 pips of profit. That will be everything for the pound USD. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Alright, so now AUDUSD is somehow, in my opinion, a messy chart. I mean, looking at that daily chart showing a lot of gaps, also a lot of random candles which I really don't like. I mean, we have here 2 blue candles at the same level, then here red at the same level. I mean, so many candles has actually opened with gaps, and it doesn't really make any sense. Actually, I don't like it. This is one of the worst charts ever. Maybe we will consider changing the AUDUSD with something else, but let's see if you guys are okay with that. And if you do, maybe we can actually get suggestions in the comments to what to change the AUDUSD to. However, let's now move to the weekly chart. Now here on weekly chart, we can see here clearly a broken level of a support. Thank God we can see that, at least in this message chart. Now what we can see also right now, let me just make it accurate. exactly just like that. Now we can notice here, of course, a broken level of a supported trend line with this bearish breakout candle. Now, however, the last week candle has actually retested the broken level of a supported trend line and created already a resistance trend line, which indicates a possible or actually a potential reversal to happen right now. Not to mention, of course, that this candle right here represents inverted hammer, and it's actually a good sign to start selling the market. Of course, also we are seeing it on a broken level of a support and a real level, so meaning a real level of a resistance, which means this is right now a resistance level, not a support. So therefore, let's now move to the smaller time frame. Actually, this time I would like to even move to the smaller time frame. Let's move to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame here now, right now, showing us something which actually provides us with a good entry. Based on the 30-minute time frame, we have here, of course, a resistance trend line, and as you can see, the market is still resisting to break out from this level of a resistance trend line. It actually has been rejected or declined from this reversal, or actually this, from this bullish breakout. So that means that the AUDUSD most likely will continue the fall right now, at least to reach the bottom of the real support right here at at 0.647, which means the pair still has around 38 pips more to go. But where exactly we can short it? In my opinion, and from my scalping skills, I would like actually to sell exactly like this at this level of a real resistance trend line, facing here one supported trend line, then finally resistance trend line, facing here a fake breakout. So now what we can do is simply wait for the AUDUSD to rise again right here, reach the exact same level of a resistance trend line, and then sell the pair until it reach this take profit level. This is gonna be like a scalping signal, because again, AUDUSD is really a mess, and we are looking actually to sell exactly right here at the same level of a real resistance. Let me just show it to you right here exactly. That level of a real resistance most likely right now is gonna be respected once again right here at 0.651. So therefore, again, this is just a scalping signal, my friends. We have to wait for the pair to rise to another 8 pips, then targeting only 46 pips. Indeed, a scalping signal. And a safe zone in this case, that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a real resistance right here at 0.653. Therefore, this signal, the safe zone is gonna be ranging just for 20 pips, to be fair with me. Yeah, 20 pips only against 46 pips, hopefully in profit. So that's gonna be everything for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Alright, so now here USDCAD, we can see something very interesting. Let me just now take you to the daily chart. So here daily chart shows us that the USDCAD has indeed retested a broken level of a resistance already. Of course, last week maybe, or before that, at 1.394 has already retested the level of a support right here. Now, however, the market right now is still reversing at the same level here of a support, and this is interestingly, of course, Fibonacci 61.8. So now most likely the USDCAD is still going to continue the rise. I mean, I'm not going to let myself tricked by this long wick right here. Maybe some of you will look for sell the USDCAD right now, but in my opinion, it's not really good for sell. We are looking to buy at this moment. We will just have to wait for the USDCAD to fall till it reach a certain level of this support, and after that, the market most likely will continue the rise. Let me just now move to the 4-hour time frame. So here on the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly that the USDCAD is actually still respecting the same level of a key support, as we can see right now. So most likely right now on the next level of the support, let me just now go to the maximum, which is right here. This is going to be, of course, the next level of the support where the USDCAD is heading to, and most likely it will retest the same level of a support trend line, and seems like because on daily chart we have here a strong key level of a resistance being retested. Therefore, the USDCAD most likely also going to respect the same level. There is a lot of pressure on the USDCAD on this price. So therefore, we are really looking to buy the USDCAD. Also here, the price action that we have here indicates also that the market most likely will continue the rise. Everything says that the USDCAD is still on bullish, retesting the broken level of resistance. We will not look to sell the USDCAD until it actually make a strong bearish breakout from this level of a key resistance, and then we can start looking to sell the USDCAD. But until then, I'm only looking to buy this pair. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame again. Now here on the 4-hour time frame, let me just draw again the same support trend line. So as you can see right now here, perfectly like that, we can wait for the USDCAD to fall again to reach the same level of a real support and support trend line. And of course, the entry in this case has got to be right here exactly at the the highest level of a key resistance at 1.395, which was also here a real level of a support, then faced here a fake breakout, which we can see it. Then the USDCAD most likely will fall again to reach the exact same level of a real support. Therefore, waiting for the USDCAD to fall to another 40 pips, then targeting the highest level of a nearest resistance to the entry, which is right here exactly at 1.406, expecting around 106 pips profit with this signal, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of a real support right here at 1.390, ranging for around 52 pips only. That's gonna be everything, my friends, for the USDCAD. Let's now move to the USDJPY. USDJPY signal, my friends, from the last midweek analysis. Actually, it was really a good signal that we need to talk about, because it was really a fantastic signal. I actually sold the USDJPY exactly from this level of resistance, I think right here. Let me just be sure right here, or yeah, exactly right here at 151.882, and as you can see, it was very, very accurate signal and hit the take profit level, making over 240 pips. The video is there, you can refer to it to find what happened. So it was really indeed a good signal, and I'm so proud about it, and I hope you guys have also taken it and enjoyed these profits. It was really one good signal from Xtreme Trader, and I hope you guys took it. Anyway, what's next now with the USDCAD? Stop bluffing about myself. Now what we can see here based on the weekly chart is still a strong bearish movement happening on the USDJPY. And most likely, this bearish movement will not stop or make a pullback till the market reach the strongest level of a key support right here at 146.401. And until then, we are still looking to short the USDJPY. Now, from my point of view, if we move right now to the daily chart, the pair is still actually facing a strong key level of a resistance right here exactly at 160.300. Why here? Because if we look at the resistance trend lines from the highest level of a resistance right here, and as you can see, if we connect this level of a real resistance trend line right here exactly, we can see it became here a support trend line for once and twice, and then finally we have here the bearish breakout from that level. Therefore, if the USDJPY will rise again to retest the same level of a resistance trend line, it will also be facing the strong key level of a resistance right here also at 150.300. And if we look at the left side also, we can see that this was indeed a strong key level of a real resistance in the past as well. Now that tells us that we can wait for the pair to reach this level, but however, this is daily chart. If we move to the 4-hour time frame, look at that. The reversal or the retest has already happened. So meaning this is a good level to sell, because here we have already a resistance number 1. Then we are looking right now to short exactly at the second attempt of the resistance. So by that, we can actually continue selling the USDJPY till it reaches the strongest key level of a real support at 147.745, aiming around 257 pips of profit, hopefully, of course. And the safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a key resistance right here exactly at 151.326, because remember, the candle still has, of course, has a chance to be ranging here. Let's give the candle a space to breathe. Therefore, the safe zone will be ranging for 98 pips only against 255 pips of profit. That's everything for the USDJPY. Let's now finally move to the USDCHF. Alright, so now for the USDCHF, as we can see right now based on daily chart, the market, my friends, has indeed made here a bullish breakout from this long-term resistance at the bracket of 0.874. However, right now it's falling back. Most likely it will actually retest the broken level of a real support right here. Let me just be precise. Exactly like this at 0.877. This was, of course, a strong key level of the support in the past, also a real level of a resistance as well. And I think if we wait a second, sorry about that. Okay, so let's now move to the left side, and as we can see, indeed we have here a real level of a support as well. So therefore, I think it's going to be a very simple and straightforward analysis that the USDCHF most likely will not only respect the same level of a support, but also retesting here the broken level of a resistance, as we can see. Therefore, let's go ahead and buy the USDCHF after it falls to another 30 pips. And if it does that, our take profit level will be right here at the nearest level of a real resistance, as we can see, at 0.886, which means we are looking for around 91 pips of profit. And in this case, the safe zone should not be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support at 0.874, ranging for around 35 pips only. And that's gonna be everything, my friends, for the weekly analysis. And again, don't forget to join our VIP group and the gold signals through this offer of the Black Friday, which is valid only from today until 4th of December. Contact our support. You can find their link in the description below of this video. Contact them to join instantly, and you can get more information about this offer. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.